Whether you're guarding your castle or just making sure the neighborhood raccoons behave, stick around for some must-have security gadgets that'll make even James Bond raise an eyebrow, and Batman nod in approval. So, let's dig in. Our first stop on this security adventure is the SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system. It's like a digital fortress for your home, easy to install even if you've never seen a toolbox before. This system comes with all the bells and whistles, literally. You've got door and window sensors, motion sensors, and even smoke detectors to make your home safe and sound. But wait, there's more. The SimpliCam security camera is your eye in the sky. It lets you keep an eye on your kingdom from anywhere, whether you're sipping coffee at a cafe or bungee jumping off a cliff. And here's the cool part, it has a stainless steel shutter. Privacy? You've got it. Just close the shutter when you're home, and it's like having your own personal paparazzi, but without the intrusion. Now, let's move on to our next security superhero. Meet your new best friends, the GE Personal Security Window Door Alarms. They're like having a personal bodyguard for your windows and doors. These alarms are louder than your morning alarm clock with up to 120 decibel sirens. If an intruder tries to break in, these alarms will give them a surprise they won't forget. But what's even cooler? You don't need a degree in engineering to set them up. They're so user-friendly that even your grandma could handle it. Just stick them on your windows and doors with the double-sided tape included. No wires, no complicated instructions, just peace of mind. These alarms not only look sleek, but they're also easy to operate, so you can arm your home like a pro. Trust me, even MacGyver would be jealous of these alarms. And now let's dive into a gadget that brings the power of safety right to your fingertips. Introducing the SABRE Smart Pepper Spray with built-in GPS. This little wonder is your personal guardian angel. It uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your smartphone, turning it into a safety powerhouse. When you need help, the SABRE Personal Safety app sends your trusted contacts a text message with your location. It's like a bat signal, but for your safety. But that's not all. It comes with a panic button and real-time GPS tracking, so your loved ones can keep tabs on your location until you're back in your cozy fortress. With maximum strength capsaicinoid levels, this pepper spray has got your back when you need it most. Confidence, safety, and a smartphone app that's like your own personal security team. The SABRE Smart Pepper Spray has it all. Now it's time to meet a true game changer in home security, the Phantom Defender. This device seamlessly transitions between security mode and doorstep mode. With a simple push from your foot, the powerful rare earth magnet activates floor pins, creating a robust barrier in security mode or a reliable doorstep in doorstep mode. Built tough and rigorously kick and hammer tested, the Phantom Defender is designed to withstand any intrusion attempts. It's not just a doorstop, it's a guardian that grants you a conversation gap for safe interaction when in doorstop mode. In security mode, it becomes an impenetrable barrier, blocking intruders from entering your space. Next in line, the August Smart Lock, because who wants to fumble with keys anymore? Say goodbye to those "did I forget to lock the door" moments. August auto locks behind you. It's like your own personal doorman, only cooler. But wait, there's more. Keep track of everyone coming and going with assigned virtual keys. It's like your very own who's who in security. You'll know when your neighbor pops in for a cup of sugar or when your cousin tries to sneak in for some snacks. Set up alerts to notify you when your best friend or your favorite pizza delivery person arrives. August doesn't just play well with you, it loves your other smart gadgets too. It's like the tech-savvy member of your smart home family, pairing up with Alexa and the Google Assistant for voice commands. It's all about making your life easier, isn't it? And now presenting the champion of self-defense, the Taser Bolt 2. This isn't your typical stun gun, it's a high-tech masterpiece designed to keep you safe. With a remarkable range of up to 15 feet, it ensures you stay out of harm's way. The Taser Bolt 2 delivers a full muscle lockup, immobilizing an attacker for an impressive 30 seconds, giving you the time you need to escape from danger. It even features a built-in 210 LED and laser for precise targeting, ensuring you don't miss your mark. But here's the real kicker. When paired with the Axon Protect app, it transforms into your personal emergency hotline. If fired, it sends an alert to emergency dispatch, providing them with your precise GPS location. It's like having a bat signal that calls in the cavalry when you need them most. Next, we have Amazon's bestseller, She's Birdie Personal Safety Alarm. Now, this little device may look like your average key fob, but trust me, it packs the punch of a jackhammer without the heavy lifting. When you need it, simply hit the built-in key and prepare to be amazed by the ear-piercing 130 decibel siren. It's louder than your aunt's stories at family gatherings, guaranteed. Plus, there's a flashing strobe light that'll not only deter potential attackers, but also signal others that you're in distress. The best part? Each Birdie alarm is hand-tested and built to last. It even comes with replaceable batteries that can keep the siren wailing for a continuous 40 minutes. Talk about a safety gadget that's as tough as nails. Next in our lineup, we've got CarLock, the superhero of vehicle security. It's not just your typical anti-theft device. It's like having a car alarm, a driving monitor, a virtual mechanic, and a GPS tracker all rolled into one. CarLock keeps an eagle eye on your ride and sends alerts straight to your phone for any unusual activity or movement. Did your car just get a mind of its own? CarLock will let you know. Engine starts, it's got your back. Feeling some unusual vibrations? You'll be the first to find out. And if someone dares to disconnect the device, you'll get an alert for that too. But there's more. CarLock also plays doctor for your vehicle. It monitors the health of your car and warns you in advance if your battery is on the fritz or experiencing a high drain. Your car's health is in good hands. Now we have the Canary Pro, the ultimate guardian for your home. This indoor-outdoor security camera is like your digital watchdog, complete with a built-in siren, motion detection, and night vision. You can live stream video to your phone or tablet, making you the master of your home's security. Any movement detected in Canary's night vision mode triggers a notification. And that's not all. You can easily call the authorities with the app. It's like having a direct line to your local heroes. But that's not the end of the story. Canary Pro doesn't just alert you, it records the action too. These high-quality recordings are like having an eyewitness, perfect for securing convictions. You can stream them in real time and store them for up to 30 days in the cloud. And the surprise twist, Canary Pro comes with a built-in siren that you can sound to scare away intruders. It's like having a personal security guard, but without the monthly salary. Brace yourselves for the ultimate addition to your home security arsenal, the Roku Outdoor Camera SE. The Roku Outdoor Camera SE is your wireless, weather-resistant guardian angel, making sure your home is as safe as can be. No need to search for power outlets or deal with those pesky cables. It runs on a long-lasting battery that can keep going for up to 6 months on a single charge. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Roku Outdoor Camera SE gives you instant alerts and delivers crystal clear HD video. With nifty motion detection, customizable zones with a wide 110-degree view, you won't miss a thing. Even when the sun goes down and the moon takes over, this camera's got your back. It captures everything in sharp detail, regardless of the hour, rain or shine. It's ready for action with its weather-resistant design. Now, let's talk about the cherry on top, the enhanced two-way audio. You can communicate with your visitors or give potential intruders a good scare. It's like having a security guard right at your doorstep. And here's a super cool feature. You can stream the action directly to your Roku TV or player for quick access. No more searching for that remote. Just grab your phone and see what's happening. Plus, this camera is no rookie. It's got smart sensors that detect real threats, so you can say goodbye to those annoying false alarms. So there you have it, 10 must-have security gadgets that are as cool as they are safe. Whether it's protecting your home, your car, or even yourself, these gadgets have got your back. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Catch you on the safe side.